Hello class, my name is Jeremiah. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. But before we do that, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will be notified on my next video. My username is Jeremiah. So subscribe, search my name on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel immediately. If you're watching this video directly on YouTube, you might have seen my username there. Just press subscribe button. Do well also to like my videos and share my videos to your friends on the internet. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment box. Do well also to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Don't forget to like my videos and share my videos to your friends in the internet. Also remember to drop a comment in the comment box in case you need clarification on anything, or you can also drop a comment in the comment box. Even though you don't need clarification, you can say thank you or just drop a comment. It will help my video to be recommended to others. Now let's go right ahead to solve this given question. It says factorize x squared minus 4x plus 3 using completing the square method and hence find the root of the quadratic equation. Now let's factorize it using completing the square method. So we have, the first thing to do is that we are going to set this quadratic equation to be equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to what? 0. Are you getting it now? Now having set it, the next thing to do is that we are going to move plus 3 to cross the equal sign. Are you getting it? To become negative. So we have what? X squared minus 4x equals to what? Minus 3. When plus 3 cross the equal sign, right? Become what? Minus 3. This 0 has gone because 0 minus 3 is what? Is minus 3. So now having done that, the next step is that we are going to divide, we are going to neglect this x here in this minus 4. We are neglecting this x here in this minus 4x. We are neglecting x in this minus 4x. Then we divide minus 4 by 2 or with 2. We say minus 4 divided by 2. Then we square it and neglect this x. So we are going to have x squared, right? So let's do plus here. We say what? Minus 4 divided by 2 squared. Divide it by what? Divide minus 4x by what? Minus 4 by what? 2. We neglect the x. And we have what? Minus 4 divided by 2. We neglect the x. Then we do what? Square it. Have you seen that now? So, having done that, then we are going to have equals to minus 3. Then this one, we are going to add it also to this right hand side. Are you getting me? So we are going to have plus here. Since we're adding it to the right hand side, we have what? Minus 4 divided by 2 squared. Have you seen that now? Minus 4 divided by 2, then we will square it and neglect the x. Then we add it to the right hand side. So what next do we have? We have x squared plus minus 4 divided by 2 is what? Minus 2. Then we do what? Square it. Right? Since we have squared here, equal to what? Minus 3 plus minus 4 divided by 2 is what? Is minus 2. Then we do what? Square it. Have you seen that now? So what do we have next? We are going to have x. Now since square, we have square and square here. So that means we are going to have x minus 2. Just plus times minus is still what? Is minus. So we have what? X minus 2. We neglect this plus. X minus 2. Then we square it. This one is the same thing as what? This. Are you getting it now? So we are going to have equals to minus 3 plus minus 2 squared is the same thing as what? Minus 2 multiplied by what? Minus 2. Are you getting it? So what are we going to have? We are going to have x minus 2 squared equal to minus 3 plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is what? Plus 4. Because minus times minus is what? Plus 2 multiplied by 2 is what? 4. Have you seen that now? So we are going to have x minus 2 squared equals to minus 3 plus 4 is the same thing as what? 4 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is the same thing as what? 4 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is the same thing as what? 4 minus 3. Have you seen that now? So we are going to have x minus 2 squared equals to what? 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So now this square is going to become what? The square root of 1. So we are going to have x minus 2, okay? Let's just remove it from the bracket. X minus 2 is equal to, this square is going to become what? The square root of 1. Are you getting me? And when that happens, we are going to have what? Plus or minus. When you make it become square root, we are going to have what? Plus or minus. This is the rule. And because in quadratic equation we must have two values when we are solving it. So now what next? We are going to have x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 is what? 1. Have you seen that now? So what are we going to have next? We are going to have x equal to plus or minus 1. Minus is going to cross the equal sign and become what? Plus, right? Plus 2. Have you seen that now? So, having seen that, we are going to have either x is equals to plus 1 plus 2 or x is equals to, we are going to deal with this minus 1 plus 2, right? Plus 2. So either x equals to what? Plus 1 plus 2 or what? Or x equals to minus 1 plus 2. So that means either x equals to what? 1 plus 2 or plus 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Or x equals to minus 1 plus 2 is the same thing as what? 2 minus 1. Are you getting me? So x is equal to what? 3 or what? Or x is equal to 2 minus 1 is what? 1. X equals to 3 or x equals to 1. So have you seen that now? So therefore x equals to 1 or x equals to 3. You can write it this way, right? You can also represent it like this. This is the sign for therefore in mathematics. X equals to 1 or x equals to what? 3. Now, having done that, let us get, this is the root of the equation. X equals to 1 or x equals to 3. Now, but the question says that I should do what? Factorize it. Let's get the result of the factorization. Now, from here, x equals to 3, x equals to 1 or x equals to 3, x equals to 3 or x equals to 1. Anyway, we choose. From here now, 1 is going to cross the equal sign and what? And become negative, right? We have minus 1 equal to 0. Or x, 3 is going to cross the equal sign and become what? Minus 3. So we have equal to 0 because nothing is left here. Nothing is left here. So that means when we factorize it, since we are factorizing it, we are going to have what? X minus 1, x minus 3 equal to 0. Right? Because since both of them are what? All equal to 0. So therefore, we have what? X minus 1, x minus 3. This is the what? The result of the factorization. And we have already found the root of the equation. See you in my next tutorials.